We start the class. So continuing with our class, accounting and we are doing GST. As I told you, the journal entries in this particular chapter are similar to those you have done in the chapter journal. Only thing is we have added GST. We will include GST in our journal entries. GST, goods and services tax, as I explained you in the previous class, was one nation, one tax introduced by the government of India. And after the introduction, several changes, amendments have been made time to time so as to simplify it. Earlier, there was a lot of opposition, as you know, because of its complexities. But now, the government has made many changes, many amendments in it, and all those amendments are now being accepted by the people, and there is not much opposition now. And this GST, you see, when you purchase goods, pay GST. GST is paid on it. GST is paid on it. Those goods then afterwards you will sell. Those goods will be sold by the trader afterwards, and then he will collect GST from the purchaser. So GST collected and GST paid. There will be two things: GST collected and GST paid. GST collected and GST paid. Whenever goods will be purchased, input CGST and input SGST. Input CGST and input SGST. CGST, Central Goods and Services Tax, State Goods and Services Tax. These two accounts will be debited. This is at the time of sales. At the time of sales, output CGST and output SGST will be credited, and input CGST and input SGST, tax paid. We will pay the tax at the time of purchase of goods. So when we will pay the tax at the time of purchase of goods, it will be debited. Why debited? Because it is treated as an asset. Payment of tax at the time of purchase of asset will be treated as treated as asset, because it can be set off against output CGST and output SGST. Output CGST and output SGST, which will be collected from our sellers, is actually our liability. This amount which we collect from our purchasers will be paid to the government, So it is our liability. This output CGST and output SGST collected on sales at the time of sales and credited is actually our liability. So that is why it is credited. You should also know why a particular account is being debited or credited. So all of you write in your notebook the journal entry at the time of purchase of goods. All of you write down, all should be seen writing I may ask you to raise your notebook and show me where have you written. All of you write the journal entry for the purchase of goods. Purchase of goods. It is known as accounting procedure. Accounting procedure. Purchase of goods, and this should be intra-state. Intra-state means within the state. Intra-state. Mind it, it should be intra-state transaction, not interstate. Interstate would be one state to another state. I am talking about intra-state, within the same state. Within the same state.
Oh, okay.
So please write the journal entry. Purchase account debit. Jasanjeet, click the pic of this. Jasanjeet. Click the picture. So the journal entry will be to bank. This would be the journal entry. Purchase account debit. When goods are purchased, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit. CGST and SGST. Suppose the tax rate is 12%. Suppose the GST tax rate is 12%. So both will be 6% each. 6% for CGST, 6% for SGST. I give you an example. Suppose goods of 50,000 are purchased. Goods costing rupees 50,000. And GST rate is given 12%. 12%. So you will assume it to be 6% CGST and 6% SGST. So this input CGST will be 6% and input SGST will be 6%. So 50,000 plus 6% will be 3,000. 50,000, 6% will be 3,000. So it will be like this. Purchase account debit 50,000, input CGST, input SGST. This is how we have calculated. like this. 50,000 का 6% is CGST, input CGST, and 6% is input SGST. That means to say the government, state government and central government will share half tax will be shared by both the governments, central government as well as state government. So this would be the journal entry here for purchase of goods. अगर कैश में आपने परचेज किए so you will write to bank account. अगर आपने क्रेडिट में परचेज किए you will write to creditors account. क्रेडिटर का नाम लिखेंगे वहां पर, रमेश, सुरेश, XYZ Limited, whatever, supplier's name. So this should be the journal entry. Dasanji, click the page. Purchase account debit. Once again, I am repeating. Purchase account debit. Input CGST debit. Input SGST debit to bank account in case of cash purchase, and to creditor or supplier account in case of credit purchase. This should be the journal entry. In case of goods purchased and GST paid. Goods purchased and GST paid. So, if the entry is for sales, sale entry, same transaction. Suppose now we are selling goods costing rupees 50,000 and GST is again 6%. SGST 6%, CGST, that is 12% in total. Then what should be the entry at the time of sale of goods? Sale of goods. We will receive the amount. Bank account or debtor? Debit. To output CGST. To output SGST. Both the rate is same, so journal entry would be like this. You see, output CGST and output SGST are credited in this transaction, in this entry. They are credited. They are credited in this because output CGST and output SGST, the tax collected on sale of goods and services, is a liability for the firm. And rule of debit and credit, you know, liability, for increase in liability, it is credited. So please note down this also. It is for sale of goods. Simultaneously, side by side, note down the entries. I will just see. Everybody keep the cameras on. Be on the screen. Otherwise, I will remove you from the class. And Prince is not in the school dress. What is the reason? Prince, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Then answer the question.
Sir, tomorrow I will be in the school.
Are you not aware of?
No, sir.
Keep yourself updated. Keep yourself updated. Messages are being
Okay,
sent.
sir.
Sadar, be on the line. Renee, you are joining late.
Actually, sir, I was attending the maths class.
Renee,
Yes, sir.
why are you joining late?
Sir, it was the maths class,
Huh?
9:40. Sir, maths class I was attending.
So you should have told sir.
So yes, I should tell.
Sir, I have told.
And today there is no maths class in the timetable also. Renee, turn on your audio.
Daily maths class.
Yes, what you are saying?
I have also asked her to change the time slot or we are taking now and take maths class also.
Who is speaking here? Your voice is not coming to me.
I am Anshika Arora.
Yes, speak louder.
Sir, I have also asked Sarah sir to change the timing for the class. So we have maths class also.
In the timetable, there is no maths class today, I think. Right?
But sir, take
And
daily.
how did he take? I will ask him. Okay, no problem. Okay. Have you copied down? It is just opposite of. It is just opposite of. You can see the purchase one. It is just opposite of the purchase one. Let me take the pic. All of you face this side. Varun. Also, all should be clear with the rule of debit and credit also, and also why the particular account is debited or credited. Why a particular account is debited or credited. Okay, moving on to next. Suppose goods are returned. The goods which are purchased, if they are returned, that is known as purchase return. That is known as purchase return. Or when goods are returned to us, it is known as sales return. So in case of purchase return and sales return, when goods are returned due to any reason, then what should be the journal entry? Suppose in case of sales return, we are talking about sales return. अगर sales return होगा, this entry will be opposite. This entry will become opposite. Sales will become sales return. Write down the entry. Sales return account debit. Write down the journal entry. Sales return account debit. Output CGST account debit. Output SGST account debit. I told you to write down in your notebook. Just don't sit idly. Sales return account debit. In output SGST account debit. Output CGST account debit to debtors account or to bank account. बिल्कुल opposite, just opposite of this, because sales return is the opposite of this particular situation or the condition. Sales return, you will just opposite the entry. Accounts will be just opposite. All All the account which are debited will be credited. The account which are credited will be debited. This one. Same you do with the purchase entry. Purchase of goods की जो entry है, on purchase return it will be just opposite. So I will ask Vyog, what should be the journal entry when goods are returned to our suppliers? Purchase return वाली entry बताइए. What it should.
Yes, sir. Sir, please repeat the question.
Purchase वाली entry की opposite entry होगी. Look at your entry purchase वाली जो है, and
Yes, sir.
just opposite of this will be purchase return. So what it should be? Please tell me.
Sorry, sir.
Anybody else? Arjun Singh,
Yes, sir.
can you tell the entry purchase return? At the time of purchase return, what the entry should be? Anybody who knows, raise your hand.
Purchase.
Ansika,
Sir, bank account debit to purchase return account to input CGST account to input SGST account.
Prince. Who has told this? Prince. So, good.
Yes, sir.
The correct entry, as told by Prince, it will be just opposite of purchase. It will be just opposite of purchase. So the entry is just opposite of the purchase of goods. So it should be creditors account debit. In our purchase of goods, we credited creditors account or bank account. Here we will debit creditors account debit to purchase return account to input CGST account to input SGST account. So all these entries are very, very important. Journal entry will remain same beta. Only is CGST, input CGST, input SGST, output CGST and output SGST. These have to be, taken care of, and these entries will be recorded. Now, I will ask about journal entry. Harshit, what is the journal entry for the payment of expenses? Payment of expenses. Anybody who knows, raise your hand and answer. This is your class test going on, beta. Whenever I ask you some questions, this means that this is the test. If you answer, you will get marks for it. If you do not respond or answer, you will lose marks. Don't know. Even if you don't know, raise your hand and say, sir, I do not know. Just don't be quiet. Don't remain quiet. Ravi, what should be the journal entry for payment of expenses? Payment of expenses. Yes. You speak out. Yes.
I don't know.
Payment of expenses journal entry, you don't know?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Anurag.
Yes, sir.
Payment of expenses. Suppose rent paid 5,000 rupees. What should be the journal entry of it? Ansika, yes.
Sir, rent account debit to cash account.
Ansika,
Rent account debit.
So rent account debit to cash account.
Bilal,
Hello.
yes, Bilal.
Rent account debit to cash account.
Rent account debit to cash account is the correct entry. Rent account debit to cash account. Or if you have paid commission, it will be commission account debit to cash account. If you have paid wages, it will be wages account debit to cash account. But here with GST, entry would be input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to bank account. Suppose the expense paid is 10,000 और उसमें अगर 6% GST लगा है तो 600 रुपए GST हो गया. इनपुट GST, CGST and input SGST 600 total amount paid is 11,200. Journal entry remains same, only this GST at the time of payment of GST it will be debited. Input CGST and input SGST. At the time of receipt of GST it will be credited. Output CGST. Output CGST. Very nice. This is all for today. Some other journal entries are there, and also there are some transactions, some items which are exempt from GST. That I will explain you in the next class. That I will explain you in the next class. So all of you must be doing your work, complete your work, keep your work updated. Very soon you will be asked to submit your notebooks in the school and it will be checked and updated. So my dear students, please take note. All those who are joining late or those who are joining irregularly, be serious, be regular. Harsh Pant, those who are not joining regularly, Shekhar, I have already sent you the personal messages. They are all on record messages that so many times you have been informed. So many times the messages are being sent in the group and personally also. Personally, I have called many parents also. And many parents have told me that my child has not even told us about the class. We do not know. They were surprised. So it will be not in your favor. If you do like this, if you're not serious, not sincere, you may have to suffer afterwards. Please take care of your future. Take care of your future. Because this hard time of Corona will go after 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. ये तो चले जाएगा Corona. What you will do after that? Because you will know nothing. And the exams will be on your head. That time you will suffer. Harinder is joining for the first time today. He knows nothing. Devang is also not regular. Sadar is not regular. So these students, those who are not regular, Gautam is one of them. Prince is one of them who is not joining regularly, and Harspant, Varun is also joining today, not regular. So all these students who are not regular, just make it a point to join the classes without any exemption, without any excuses. Keep your work updated. Any problems, you may ask anytime. Get your notebooks checked and take care of yourself. All those who are not present today, tell them to be present. Inform them about the tests which are going to be conducted soon. These tests are for your record. These will be added in the first terminal or half yearly, and then in the final exam also. These marks will be added. Whatever I ask you in the class is also for the record, because the class is getting recorded, you know. Anytime I can see this class again. You can also see the class again. You can also listen to the explanation again whenever you want. Go to the channel, subscribe it, and use it for your benefit. All those who have not yet watched the chapters or the lectures in the YouTube, please use it. So take care of yourself. God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.